thrifted clothes, second-hand clothing, recycled clothes, ano pa man ang tawag, mas kilala ito sa atin as ukay-ukay. The term ukay came from halukay, which means to dig up. Shopping for ukay is done by digging up piles of clothing items until one makes a good find. This culture was born out of the desire for fashionable pieces without the hefty price tag. While some people buy from ukay-ukay because it is their way para maging stylish at para magkaroon na rin ng sariling signature at authentic designer items without breaking the bank. Buying items from ukay is also eco-friendly because if the products were not sold, they would go straight to waste. Items from ukay-ukay are boxed depending on their quality or level of newness. But while shopping for thrift clothes might make you feel your best, second-hand clothes don't always make you look your best. Clothes that are worn, faded, and out of season may affect your self-esteem. Kaya naman, it's time to jazz up your thrifted clothes and turn them into fabulous pieces. Here are a few tips on how to perk up your thrifted clothes.
Evangelista, the owner of Marie Collection, and I'm certified fashionista. So Marie Collection is basically a supplier at the same time a retailer. So we do sell thrifted clothes. For me, marami siyang benefits. Aside from the fact na mura dahil ukay clothes siya, marami ding great finds sa ukay na hindi natin makikita sa mall. So kapag nag-uukay ka, parang mas marami kang choices na mapipili na hindi mo siya talaga, na hindi mo ina-expect na ganun lang yung price niya, but the condition and the quality is the same as brand new. So today, I'm going to show you how to perk up your ukay finds. Tip number 1, don't be afraid to accessorize.
You can easily upgrade your ukay outfit with some accessories. Just complement your look with a cute pair of earrings, add some hand accessories like a watch or bracelet ganyan, and finish your look with a sling bag. Choosing the right accessories will surely jazz up your thrifted outfit and make it look like binili mo to sa mga branded outlet.
Number 2, explore diverse styles.
Unlike clothes sold at the mall, thrifting will cause you to have a much more diverse assortment of clothing, so use it to your advantage. Don't be afraid to wear something new, like what I'm wearing right now. As you can see, I just paired my tube top with crop jeans and a bright-colored windbreaker. Easy diverse style na, hindi pa mukhang thrifted.
And number 3, make sure your clothes fit.
The sole purpose of shopping for thrift clothes is yung maging fashionable without spending too much. So make sure na piliin lang yung mga damit na kasya mo na talaga para hindi na kailangang ipa-alter. Like this body-hugging chic dress that suits probably every body type kasi nga it fits to your body so well. Who would have known na mura lang to kasi ang bongga, it looks expensive.
Number 4, ensure balance in your outfit.
Just like what I've mentioned, it's not a matter of price. What matters most when shopping for ukay is making sure na merong balance yung outfit mo. For this one, I'm wearing a crop top, so instead na magsuot ng skinny jeans, I chose to wear wide leg pants. Upgraded na in an instant yung look mo since balance yung outfit na suot mo.
And tip number 5, avoid logos.
Minsan, sinusuot lang natin yung damit because of its brand. Yung nakikita yung brand niya, nakikita yung logo niya. Yung desire natin for branded clothes, syempre hindi mawawala yon. But some logos can be pleasing and some are not. Pwede naman maging classy by wearing plain shirts or even replacing logos with printed ones, gaya ng mga sample outfit na to. Nothing wrong with wearing logos, but if you want to keep it simple and sophisticated, I suggest to go for plains and prints.
And last but not the least, pay attention to grooming and shoes.
Kung gusto mo talagang mag-level up yung thrifted outfit mo, syempre dapat we also pay attention sa overall look natin, and that includes the right makeup and shoes. Maganda nga yung damit na suot mo but your shoes doesn't match and hindi ka rin nakaayos, so useless din. So if you want to look and feel great about your outfit, remember to pay attention to some details.
Ladies, hindi naman kailangan gumastos ng malaki in order to perk up your style. You don't need to follow the latest trends either. Just embrace your own personal style and wear what feels good to you. Ang importante, you're now able to find ways to make the most out of your thrift store or ukay finds.